Today, we embark on an incredible journey to unravel the mysteries of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a curious mind, a tech enthusiast, or a future AI expert, this is your go-to spot for all things AI. In our kickoff episode, we're diving into the big question: what is artificial intelligence? This isn't just any beginner's guide. This is your first step into a world that's reshaping our future. AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a journey that began decades ago. From the dreams of visionary sci-fi authors to the first logical machines, AI's history is as fascinating as its potential. But what exactly is AI? In simple terms, it's a branch of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like learning, problem-solving, recognizing speech, and more. At its heart are algorithms, neural networks, machine learning, and a whole lot of data. But don't worry, we'll unpack all these terms in our journey together. You might not realize it, but AI is all around us. It's powering the recommendations you see on Netflix, helping doctors diagnose diseases, and even driving cars without a human at the wheel. Now I know what you're thinking. Is AI going to take over the world? Well, we're far from robots ruling humanity, but the ethical and societal implications of AI are real and something we'll explore in depth. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, AI's impact is undeniable. We're not just talking about the future, we're living it. So are you ready to be part of the revolution? Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join me on this extraordinary adventure. Remember, understanding AI isn't just about keeping up, it's about shaping the future.